looking at how you can use the generic Snow Embed Snow story element to incorporate different elements within the stories on your website. The first thing you're going to do in order to even use that element is to create a story to then insert it within. So I've already gone ahead and done that here. And then once you have the text of your story pasted in here, you want to place your cursor into the article where you want that embedded element to go, and then just add a blank line to give it some space to occupy. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on this Add Snow Story Element button up at the top here. And you'll see there's a range of different elements you can potentially add within your story along the left, but the one we're going to focus on here is this generic embed. This embed is going to work well for infographics in particular that were not created within your own Snow site. They weren't created using the Snow infographics feature. So for example, maybe you created an infographic in something like Canva or Infogram, for example, and you want to then paste it back onto your site to correspond with your article. So I've got this example infographic here on Infogram. So obviously you'll need to locate your infographic on the respective platform where you created it. And then we need to get what's actually called an embed code. So to do that, when you click on the infographic itself, there should be a button that says share. So in this case, it's right here at the bottom. And that gives you a couple of different sharing options, but the one that you want to select is embed. In the particular case of Infogram, it actually gives you a couple of different types of embeds that you can use, but you want to select the one that says fixed. That's going to give you an iframe embed code. Those work best on our sites. So you don't want to change anything about that embed code. Go ahead and just copy it and then return to that generic embed area on your site and paste the code in there. If you want to add a credit line, you're free to do so right here. And then you can also choose the alignment of that infographic within the text of your article. Go ahead and click Insert when you're all done. And you should get a preview of what that infographic will look like to a reader on your website. Finally, let's publish this quickly and we'll go see what it would look like to a visitor. And here it is. So that's how you will use the generic embed feature in the back end of your Snow site. And as always, if you have any questions as you're using it, don't hesitate to reach out to Snow support.